A wonderful way to encourage kids to get out into the garden is to share with them the incredible joy of growing plants from seed. Vegetables, herbs, flowers, they're all great fun to grow, and it makes a nice change from them being inside playing on devices. Mr. Fothergill's little gardener kits have been designed to not only make getting out into the garden fun, but are carefully put together to ensure success for even our first-time gardeners. They include pots, growing medium, easy to sprout seed varieties, and even a mini greenhouse. Rainbow vegetables, mini tomatoes, giant pumpkins, snow pea teepees, purple bean teepees, pizza gardens. The Little Gardener's vegetable and herb range is huge, and with studies showing that children are 5 times more likely to eat food they have grown themselves, it makes a lot of sense to start healthy eating habits as early as possible. Of course, having fun in the garden isn't just about edibles. Growing flowers are an absolute joy, and spring is the perfect time to be planting giant sunflower seeds. These seeds will be up within a week or so and well on their way to creating a cheerful splash of summer colour that'll put a smile on your face no matter what your age.